Cranberry Smokey Eyes are perfect for brown and hazel eyes.
So welcome to our beauty break where we're going to show you how to get the look.
To do this like cranberry eye, I'm really going to keep it pretty simple, and I'm going to use two shadows. I'm going to start off with my first color. It is called Fuzzy. I'm going to use this because I'm just going to blend it from the crease up, and I'm going to use the same brush to blend upwards towards my brow bone. Y'all can see I literally just kept blending. I'm going to get it up to my crease. Now that the top is nice and blended, I am going to smoke out the bottom since it is a cranberry colored like smoky eye. Burgundy Chic is like a burgundy purple eyeshadow color, and it's going to really make hazel and like brown colored eyes like really pop. I am going to use, and I think I used this in another video, I just like this eyeliner color. We'll do this on the top, and then I'm actually going to do a little bit on my lower lash line. Kind of like adds that really pretty, just like kind of smoky, sultry look to it. Now you can see like the eyeliner, it's just a little smoky. It's really pretty. I'm just gonna wipe away any of the fallout. Let me get my mascara. I was not gifted lashes like my mother. We just gotta recreate them with a good mascara. See, I literally smacked my eyelid with my mascara. The trick is to let the mascara fully dry on the spot. You're gonna take a very clean spoolie. All you do is lightly flick it off. That's it. That is my cranberry smoky eye. You can shop all the products that I used at any of our 3 locations: Spalla Posada in McAllen, Spalla Posada in Harlingen, and in Brownsville you can shop them at our Merle Norman Cosmetics and Skincare Studio.